For hormonal therapy in particular, there are other targets that are being looked at. One that is really yielding exciting results preliminarily is the cyclin 4/6 inhibitor, palbociclib. There are other inhibitors that are also in testing. In a phase 2 study, when added to letrozole, palbociclib tripled the disease-free interval, and a large phase 3 confirmatory study is now on the verge of being completed to verify that. The other class of drugs that may be of interest are histone deacetylase inhibitors. Entinostat was found to improve survival in a randomized phase 2 study when added to hormonal therapy in the second line, and again, these results are also being confirmed. SRC inhibition, there was a study that showed a hint of that. So yes, there are other targets in particularly growth factor receptor pathways, but other pathways as well that may augment the benefits of hormonal therapy.